In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for social media management. 5 minutes. First, log into Asana and create a new project. Give it a clear name like social media calendar or something specific to a platform so everyone instantly understands what lives here. Choosing the right view early helps. Board view is perfect for moving work through stages, while calendar view gives you a visual schedule of what's going live when. You can switch between them anytime, so pick the one that matches how you plan and review work. Set up sections that mirror your workflow. Common stages include ideas, copy drafting, design, review, scheduled, and published. Keep the stages simple at first. You can always refine them as your team gets into a rhythm. Now, start creating tasks. In this system, each task represents one social media post. Name tasks with the platform, topic, and intended publish date for easy scanning. Inside each task, add subtasks for the key steps such as write copy, design graphic, and get approval. Subtasks make ownership crystal clear and prevent bottlenecks. Assign each task and subtask to the right teammate and set due dates that reflect your internal checkpoints, not just the publish date. That way, copy and design are finished before review, and review happens before scheduling. In the task description, paste the draft copy, attach images or video files, and include links to assets or briefs. Keep all feedback in the comments so decisions stay tied to the work. To make everything filterable, add custom fields. Status is essential, and fields like platform, content type, and campaign are great for sorting and reporting. Tags can help mark priorities or seasonal content without cluttering the project. Next, use rules to automate routine actions. For example, when status changes to approved, move the task to scheduled, or when a due date approaches, nudge the SNE. A little automation reduces manual updates and keeps the board clean. When you're ready to review the plan, jump to calendar view to spot gaps or overlaps. Use dashboards to see workload and progress, and connect goals if you track publishing targets or campaign milestones. Invite stakeholders to the project so they can collaborate and approve inside Asana. Use comments for feedback and likes to signal agreement or final approval, keeping everything centralized and searchable. With this setup, your team will plan, produce, and publish consistently, all in one organized place.